Let's go in the sun a little bit. You want to take him in the sun, Heather? Because he has wine from the shadow. There we go. There we go. And see, can you get him to sit?
Sit. Sit, Jeff. Sit. 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 Come on, boy. Jeff, sit. Sit. Come on. Sit. Sit. Marcus is better at sitting.
Don't let him bite. There, I see your pretty face. You got the toy? You got the toy? Huh? Got it? Oh, you're gonna come get it, huh? You're gonna come get it? We see your pretty eyes, huh? You sit? You sit? Sit, Jeff. Sit. 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 We're still working on it, aren't we? Sit. If I had food, he would, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well, he's a good, nice boy. Oh, we're gonna lay down? Yes. Want your belly rubbed? Want your belly rubbed? Oh, that feels good. We like our belly rubbed. Yes, we do. We like our belly rubbed. Yes, rub the belly. Rub the belly. Okay.